Everyone, welcome to BrainBite Technologies. So today I'm going to explain about the instance part. So mainly instance is a memory and background process. So I'm going to explain firstly the memory portion. Okay, that is called SGA portion. So SGA, it's a memory portion. SGA is stands for System Global Area. It is a shared memory area. It's a shared memory area. Why it's a shared memory area? Because it's the total space of SGA, and within this SGA portion, several components are present and they are working their activity or their functionality. They have their specific functionality. Okay, so SGA is a memory area and several components are present in this memory area. So shared pool. What is shared pool? Shared pool is a portion of a SGA that can be used for large memory allocation, such as shared SQL or PL/SQL areas. Next is Java pool. What is Java pool? It's a optional of the SGA components, and it's a Java related activities are working on these components or on this Java pool portion. Steam pool. What is Steam pool? Steam pool is another also the optional for SGA. Large pool is a big area for SGA where the data will be large data are present in this area. Coming to the database buffer cache. Buffer cache, database buffer cache is a portion of the SGA that stores copies of data blocks, reads from data files. Okay, it is the temporary memory area where the data will be reside and the data is coming from data file. Redo-log buffer. What is redo-log buffer? Redo-log buffer is a crucial structure of recovery operations, and when it stores all changes to the database so that data is present for temporary this area, this memory area, that is called redo-log buffer, and the data, permanent data, is present on this online redo-log files. So that is the portion of the instance or memory area. So that's all for instance memory areas explanation video. For next, we will explain background process. What are the background process of the Oracle database, and the 5 mandatory background process we will discuss. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, like, and also comment. For stay tuned for the next videos. Bye.